I provided some pro bono services to my church in developing their website. Can I get a deduction for that contribution to the church? First of all, great for doing that, Bailey. Great idea to make a difference, and that's really what we're talking about, making a difference, so congratulations for that. Now that I said that, you're probably going to know that I'm not going to answer the question the way you want me to answer it, but unfortunately there is no deduction for the contribution of services, whether that be to a charity or any other organization. It doesn't matter whether there's a qualified charity or not. Now that may sound unfair at first, but think about it this way. If you did a $1,000 job, let's say you did a website development for your church and you charged them $1,000. That church would charge you $1,000 or pay you $1,000, they'd pay your bill. You have to report that $1,000 on your tax return as taxable income, obviously. Okay, now you turn around and write a check back to the church for a $1,000 contribution. That contribution also going to be deductible on your tax return. Your taxable income has worked out to be zero. You gave them a website, they still have the money, your tax position worked out to be zero. Well, if no money changes hands, the bottom line to your tax return ought to be the same. So you still gave them a $1,000 website, they still got a $1,000 benefit, so the church won and you won, everything worked exactly the same, and maybe the silver lining here is you don't have to worry about putting it on your tax return, but it's not going to generate a deduction. But that's a very good question, Bill. I'm glad you sent that one in, that's very important.